So you want to talk? Say here we are, right before Haley's surgery.
Right.
And she's looking so restful.
Breathing nice and slow.
Yep. You see they still have her earpiece on for the construction. Ooh.
Yeah, she's got some congestion.
Yep, she needs to be cleared. Can they suction her?
They've been doing it all day.
They put in a bigger line too.
I know when they brought her back from the Bronx, they suctioned for about 5 minutes. They went through like 3 packs of that saline stuff, clearing her out. See, that's okay. We'll take some coffin as long as everything else is good. It's okay, baby girl. It's okay, sweetie. It's like if she was feeling absolutely perfect, we'd be saying, look at her living the life. And kicking back. And we'll be doing plenty of this with like 80 sunblock on. You won't be a tanning fiend like your mom and dad. You can be like grandma. Wait. And we'll get you some little floaties. I told Danny she was going to be my scuba and snorkeling partner. Except I don't know with those feet if we have to get the special made fins. She's got monster feet.
No, she doesn't.
She's got monster feet. Big feet. It's our little angel. Is she peeing okay?
Yeah, she pooped today too.
She did?
Quite a bit.
Really? They weren't sure how much she'd be able to do that since she doesn't have much in her, you
Yeah,
know.
she's not eating too much, but it took a little while for everything to get through that was. So
Did you get to change the diaper?
No. You can hear, obviously, that there's a little bit of spit that gets in the line, but the main thing is just to remember the reason why she struggles are because of the gas. It's the kink at the bottom of that. Until we get that fixed, it's not going to matter.
Okay, sweet pea. Well, we'll be here after surgery.